Not sure how to use your higher AC remote? Model number YL-HD01. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your higher AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Feeling the heat? Just tap the cool button on your higher AC remote and let the chill take over. It blasts cold air instantly, making your room refreshingly cool and comfortable. Perfect for those hot summer days. Press the heat button on your higher AC remote and feel the warmth spread instantly. It turns your AC into a heater. Perfect for cozy comfort during chilly winters. Too much humidity in the air? Hit the dry button on your higher AC remote. It gently removes excess moisture, making the room feel fresh and less sticky without overcooling. Want it cooler or warmer? Use the temperature plus and temperature minus buttons to adjust the room temperature just the way you like it. More chill or a bit of warmth. It's all in your control. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the auto button to enable automatic operation. The air conditioner intelligently adjusts the mode, temperature, and fan speed to maintain optimal comfort without manual settings. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn on or off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Want more from your AC? Press the extra function button to unlock smart features like sleep mode, I feel, or special comfort settings, depending on your model. The sleep mode automatically adjusts cooling and fan speed to keep you comfortable while saving energy through the night. The I feel function uses a sensor in the remote to adjust cooling based on the temperature around you, not the AC unit. The special comfort settings customize airflow and temperature for a perfectly balanced and relaxing environment. It's where all the cool hidden tools live. Just explore and enjoy. Set and cancel button. Press once to confirm or activate a setting, and press again to cancel or exit the current operation. It simplifies control by combining setting and canceling actions into a single button. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. Press the lock button to freeze all remote functions. This prevents accidental changes until the button is pressed again to unlock. Press the light button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC operation. If your higher AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Want to switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit on your higher AC remote? Just press and hold both the temperature up and temperature down buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds. And boom! The temperature unit flips from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your higher AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.